Which is the first step in germination? Imbibition. Who discovered the cell? Robert Hooke. What is the male part of a flower called? Stamen. Which is a small electronic device, implanted in the chest to help control the heartbeat? Pacemaker. Which process involves transfer of pollen from anther to stigma? Pollination. How many bones are there in a giraffe's neck? 7. What is the process of loosening soil around plants called? Plowing. Which of these is a viviparous animal? Whale. Which one of the below elements is present in the chlorophyll? Magnesium. Animals without a backbone are called? Invertebrates. What type of plant is tomato? Herb. A group of similar cells that together carry out a specific function is called? Tissue.